Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Way, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2000 model Y61 Nissan Petrol ST. Stock reference number is 3847. This shape runs from the 12th month 1997 through to the 2nd month 2003. It has a TB45 4.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. TB45 4.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to, it has a few dents and clear peeling. Right hand corner light, right hand headlight, colour coded radiator grille, left hand headlight, left hand corner light. It's got an aftermarket TJM steel bull bar. It is missing one of the upright covers. Left hand guard appears to have no damage. Flared type. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. Left front has a bald tyre. Left power door mirror in black. Factory fitted sidestep supplied with all bolts and brackets. Left front door has multiple small dents and one large dent. Left rear door also a few small dents and does have a screw where the flare is. Left hand rear 16-inch steel rim. Left tail light. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Left hand barn door has 3 small dents and 1 medium sized dent. Right hand side barn door has 2 small dents, one of them is a bit of a kink right on the edge, and 3 small dents up top. We have the spare wheel with a bald tyre, 16-inch steel. Right hand rear 16-inch steel with a bald tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents, and again it has a screw jammed through the flare. Right hand side step does have a little bit of damage on the rear edge, supplied with all bolts and brackets. Right hand front door has a fold on the rear edge as well as a large dent and a small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard has only 1 small dent, and a right front 16-inch factory steel rim with a good bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console, needs cleaning. It's a manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, transfer shifter, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player and tape deck in the one unit. We have the courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.